So in order to put this into perspective, I will now compare the year 1 figures to the year 2 figures, and we can see here the most successful month was July, which was also the result in year 2, where we also had July as the most successful month. But compared to year 2, in year 1 we had significantly lower GOP figures at approximately 31%. Although the revenue was quite similar at nearly 1.4 million, and the net profit was significantly lower by 40,000 US dollars. In order to summarize the last 6 months of operations, you can now see the graph of that summarizes the total revenue, net profit, and GOP figures. So if we focus on the last 6 months, we see a great trend of a high GOP, high revenue, and also a relatively high net profit, which we're extremely happy with. In July, we achieved a net profit of 230,000, which is to this date our highest net profit. And this was mainly achieved because our GOP figures were extremely high at 37.08%.
As a result of our new marketing campaign, we've improved our advertisement considerably. As you can see, in March there are still a few complaints about not sufficient information that is provided about our hotel. But in the Q2, we've increased the revenue spent on the advertisement, and we also expanded a little bit the market that we're targeting. So as a result, we can see that now customers are satisfied with the advertisement, and it is easy for them to find the information about our facilities and the hotel in general. During the last 2 quarters, we've also carried out the refurbishment of the parking grounds and pools environmental program and the associated facilities. As a result, we have a really good reputation management, which gives us also a great advantage over the rest of our competitors. However, we would still like to continue with the refurbishment and go on for the restaurant, bar, lounge, and of course the guest rooms. In terms of the facilities and services, there is quite a tough competition present in the market. As you can see, for example, another hotel just built a spa recently, which means previously it was our unique selling proposition. Now we will have to try to differentiate ourselves a little bit differently, and also, of course, we would like to improve more in terms of the facilities. Our next steps will be to build up the theme restaurant. For human resource department, in the last 2 quarters, we have maintained a good result in terms of competency levels. If we compare it with the last year performance in the same quarters, we can see the stable positive results, even though we have reduced the amount of money we have invested in the train program by 1%. The same positive trend we can observe in the staffing level percentage. It was reduced until the optimal level. For example, in August year 1, we had the staffing level at 107%, and in the same month, August, but year 2, we can see that it was reduced until 96%. So that moderately reduced our cost, and we would like to keep this level for upcoming quarters.
Regarding the F&B department, we have generated the highest revenue so far in August year 2 by $396,109. We have approximately 200 less cover than the last year August. However, we have successfully increased our revenue by approximately $8,000. This can be explained through our effort in deducting the food costs as well as the beverage costs. And we have successfully deduct by another 0.5% for each food and also beverages, and that helped us to generate more revenue in the F&B department. And for the future, we are looking forward to refurbishment as well as investing in the theme restaurant to attract more customers as well as to generate more revenue for the hotel.
Golden Central team will continue striving to create an unforgettable experience for our guests and improve the hotel performance in the upcoming quarters. We would like to thank you for your attention and wish you a great day.